How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly add shipping methods on WooCommerce, as well as how to change the shipping locations or zones. So I'll be going through a step-by-step guide on how to do this from scratch and guiding you guys every step of the way. So without further ado, let's begin. So the way to actually do this is quite simple, and as you guys can see here on my screen, I have a guide provided by WooCommerce themselves on how to do this. So the first thing that you guys need to do is obviously you need to log into your WooCommerce account. And as you guys can see here, there's a little illustration of where this takes you. So once you guys are logged in, the website will take you to the dashboard. Now, once you guys are here, you want to click on settings, and that's usually found on the left hand side of the screen, as you can see here. So settings, and this should take you to this will bring up a new menu where you have a bunch of options to choose from. So there's general, products, shipping, checkout, accounts. So all of these settings, or all of these tabs rather, are where you get to configure those parameters and other stuff like that. So obviously from here you want to go to shipping, and it should look a little bit like this. And what will happen is WooCommerce will bring up a list of all of the zones or regions where people can order from. So let's say that you want to add a shipping method for the UK. As you guys can see here, it even reads the next step is to click on the shipping zone, or in this case UK, to which you want to add a shipping method to. So the next thing you guys need to do is you need to right click on this, and this would bring up this page right here, or rather it'd give you the option to add a shipping method, as you guys can see here. So basically right click and add shipping method, and it would look a little something like this. So shipping zones, UK, in this case, you get to configure stuff like its name, the regions where this configuration goes to, and the shipping methods. So obviously you want to click on add shipping method, and next says here that there's a built-in WooCommerce list of shipping methods. So you could either go for a flat rate, or you could have free. You can set it to free shipping, so they wouldn't have to pay for shipping, or a local pickup. So this one is entirely up to you guys. And it even reads, as you see, WooCommerce offers you 3 types of shipping methods. Now, to go a bit into detail about what each of these do, let's start with flat rate. So here's where you actually get money from the shipping fee. It even reads flat rate. This is one of the most popular WooCommerce shipping methods used in stores. It means that for everything your customers buy, you offer the same price for the shipping, hence the name flat rate. So it's a fixed amount. And here's what the configuration screen looks like. So method title, flat rate. You can give it a tax status. So depending on what they're ordering, the scale, or the quantity, how big it is, then tax. If it had a taxable variable factored in, then obviously it would cost more. And here you get to configure the cost, stuff like that. And it goes on to say that the method title, the name of the shipping method, this name is shown on the cart page and at the checkout. So if you don't change this, the default name will look like this. So moving on to tax status, you can set it to either taxable or none, and none makes the shipping cost non-taxable, and that's a whole entire video, so I won't get into that. But if you guys made it taxable, then obviously the cost would be dynamic, but that's what it is. Now moving on to the other options, since there's not much to say about flat rate, it's just a fixed rate. So free shipping. So it seems to be the simplest of the WooCommerce shipping methods, but it's not. If you want to offer simple free shipping with no other terms, you can simply use flat rate and set it to 0. Now, free shipping methods offer some additional abilities. So these pertain to stuff like they would only get free shipping if it was if they used a valid shipping coupon, or there was a minimum order amount. So if they were to spend this much on your store, then they would get free shipping, or a minimum order plus a coupon, or a minimum order amount, or amount of money that they would have to spend plus a coupon for it to actually for them to be eligible for free shipping. So free shipping option will not be shown in the cart in the conditions you choose if the conditions you choose here are not met. So you can set a minimum order amount, for example, of £100 for them to be able to get it for free shipping. And to do so, what you guys need to do is you need to follow this path here, Woocommerce, click on coupons, add new to actually add a coupon to your store, and you need to mark the allow free shipping checkbox, as you can see here. So basically just tick this, make sure it's checked so they're able to get free shipping, assuming that the conditions are met. So local pickup, this one is pretty straightforward. This is the simplest. This one is the simplest WooCommerce shipping method. You just insert the price, and that's it. So by default, when using local pickup, store-based taxes will apply regardless of customer address. Now, that's all of the shipping methods. Now let's move on to how to change the shipping zone on WooCommerce. So to do so is quite simple. So you guys want to go back to the same page as before, or was it? I think it was the settings tab on the dashboard. So this would take you to this page, right? But instead of going to shipping, you click on the general tab. Now here's where you actually get to configure the shipping location. So the first time you visit WooCommerce, you guys basically want to follow this path right here. So settings and then shipping. And when you do, normally by default there would be a prompt where it would give you the option to add a new shipping zone, but you'll also find the default to the rest of the world zone, so anywhere. But if you want to have your store or products accessible to only exclusive regions, then you can do that too, and that's the whole purpose of setting up your shipping zones. So yeah, like I said, basically go to the same path, WooCommerce, settings, shipping, click on general, and under shipping locations, you have the option to either disable shipping and shipping calculations or enable it. Now to actually add the zones, you want to go to this path right here, and there should be an option at the top where you get to add a zone. So, and everything else should be self-explanatory. Like you get to name the zone and select which regions those rules or prices or the tax settings apply on, and that'd be it. Now, obviously, there are a couple of different things that you guys can add to the configuration, like sorting out the shipping zones. Like you can drag and drop stuff to sort them around, see which regions get priority in terms of stock and shipping availability, and yeah, that'd be it. So hopefully you guys learned how to add shipping methods as well as the... So yeah, hopefully with that, you guys have learned how to properly add shipping methods as well as configure the shipping zones on WooCommerce. So if this video helped you guys out, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.